Hello, I'm Nicholas Sambold.
I am his partner.
Sorry, you can say your name. And this is the gold points for Project 3. So we're going to start off by creating a world. Oh, and then what you're supposed to do is you can move around. You're supposed to get this goal character right here in the certain amount of time that you have allocated, which is 50 seconds right now. And then there are these. Oh, fuck. Well, one aspect of the game is whenever you move, random walls get placed. And so what happened is that a random wall just got placed on where I need to go. So I effectively lost. But if you collect these red tokens that I call pods, you can get an extra 3 seconds. There are also these portals where if you land on them, you'll get transported to the other portal on the map right here. So I guess overall overview is you collect pods to get to Jewel at the very end. Let me restart this because I got very unlucky with the seed. Sometimes that happens. It's a game. You know, RNGesus was not our favorite this time. Okay, let's try again. Excellent. So clicked it. Oh, you see that the time went up. So 54. Now it's 56. It works correctly. Oh, fuck. That was too fast, but I was right there. I got immediately transported to the other teleporter shitter. And then you're gonna go up to get the apple jewel pod. No, just the jewel. We already have pods. And then once you collect it, we get the windscreen, which is amazing. Also, if the time runs out, I guess we could show you, but it'll also have a losing screen, which we will see in a second. Once it loads, because my computer's poopy. La di da di da di da 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 di da 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 di da 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 di da di da 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 di da di da da da. Oh, there it is. Now it's and you lose. Little crying frowny face for a little extra pizzazz. Okay, well, that's going to do it for my Project 3 gold points. Peace out, homies. See you in the next video. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye.